Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O. On this YouTube channel, I talk a lot about how to make healthy meal, how to do different DIY life hack, home decoration and budget, and beauty hack. Today's video, I'll be sharing with us a simple tip on how to prepare a healthy morning oat. You can have this healthy morning oat as breakfast, and it's very simple. Within 5 minutes you'll be done with this, and you can share this wonderful recipe with your loved ones and your family. This recipe, this healthy morning oat, is actually loaded with a lot of nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties that our body needs to look healthy, to look young, and also to fight infection and diseases. And to make this healthy morning oat, I'll be using a couple of ingredients. And here are the couple of ingredients that I'll be using. I have on this plate, I have blueberries, and also I have plum, which are the two fruits that I'll be adding to this oat. And these fruits are very rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties to fight diseases and also to prevent infections in the body. And also I'll be using this oat, which I got from Walmart, and I'll be adding walnuts. Walnuts is good for the heart. It has a lot of omega H3 in it, which is very good for heart function. And also I'll be adding chia seeds. Chia seed is also good. It's loaded with omega H3, which is good for the heart. So to prepare this healthy morning oat, I have my container. So I have 4 scoops of this healthy oats in this container. I have 4 tablespoons of the oats in this container. I'll be adding a tablespoon of the walnuts. About a tablespoon of the walnuts. I'll be adding the chia seeds. About a tablespoon of the chia seeds. So now I'll go ahead and add. Here I have the oats, 4 tablespoons of the oats in this container. I have a tablespoon of the walnuts in this container. I have a tablespoon of the chia seed in this container. So I'll go ahead and add the blueberries. And also I'll be adding the plum. I have 1.5 plum here cut already. So I have everything ready in this container. I have 4 tablespoons of oats here. I have 1 tablespoon of walnuts. That's walnuts in here. Also, I have 1 tablespoon of chia seed in here, and added the blueberries, and also I added a plum. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to blend this before I go ahead and microwave. So I'll be blending all my ingredients. Hot water in here that I'll be adding. So I'll be blending now. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to microwave this for less than 2 minutes. You can actually boil this on the stove, but I'll be microwaving. So I already microwave the blended oat with the fruits. I microwave this for 2 minutes, like I said earlier on. You can actually cook this on the stove, but I decided to microwave. So I'll be adding this. This is actually ready. So I'll be taking this with needle milk. You can use powdered milk, liquid milk, but I'll be taking this with needle milk. And all I'll be doing is to add water. What I have here is powder milk. Like I said, you can use any milk of your choice. So in here, I have the healthy morning oats, which I prepared. I have it already. So I'll be adding honey. You can add honey. I'll just be adding honey for taste. So I added 100% honey for taste. And in here I have the needle milk. I'll just add this. And here you go. This healthy morning breakfast is ready. This healthy morning oat is loaded with a lot of nutrients, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties that can help us to look healthy, to live healthy, to fight diseases, to fight infection, and also to live healthy. If you like this video, please share. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O. Thank you so much for staying tuned. And until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecelia O. I love you all. Bye for now.